having broken down, well, not really broken down, but having a RV with a check engine light that requires some repair, we are stuck in Durango today. So while in Durango, one must check out the narrow gauge railroad. What's up here?
Train. Model train.
See Ian?
This car.
It is a caboose.
Ah. Looks like there's a sink right
So
here.
this is a sink, and a stove. So it's a little kitchen for cooking right at the back.
Can you open
And then there's some bunks for sleeping, an office for working.
Where's the office?
I think when you sit up, you climb up that ladder and sit up in that chair. Animus River Trail is a nice little walk and bike along the riverside. Of course, we found a little family of ducks who are fishing in the river.
Well, it looks like they're fishing. Ah! Oh, one got sucked under.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Oh, there he is. They popped up over there.
Where are the others?
Yeah, there's a couple over here. And there. Oh, look at him.
That's funny. They know how to navigate the rapids.
Driving under rapids.
Oh my god, look how fast
They're all going down.
They're shooting the rapids. Woo!
they were going in.
Mom go though.
These guys took a different line, stuck on the rock.
They got stuck on rocks up there.
Yeah, well, there's only 4 paddlers in that boat, so they need more forward power. Yeah. So that's where I think we'll do it someday. But I want you to get a little bit bigger, a little bit stronger. No, let's go out on the bridge. Huh?
The skate park's over there.
I want to see it.
All right, let's go out on the bridge.
But I want to see the skate park.
We'll come back and see the skate park in a minute. Are you in a hurry? So we got all day, unfortunately. That seems to be where they're launching.
I've seen a couple different. I mean, there's different companies. There's different launch points.
Don't get stuck on a rock.
Did I get mud on my board? No. I'm going too fast to like point it well. This? Yeah. Really? You don't have to? Yeah, I know. I'm still. Do it. Look, pal. Too late.
What did that looks easy. He made it.
It makes it look easy.
Now.
Cool little footbridge over the river. Couple of girls on paddle boards deciding to go down the river. Looks like it could be kind of exciting. Maybe a little tippy. I'm ready.
We don't know yet.
Here we go to the fish hatchery.
Where are the fish?
Some over
Oh,
here.
here we go. Here are some fish. What are they? Trout?
I don't know.
What do they do? Oh my god. So that's probably where the food is.
No, there's shade.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him trying to jump up there.
Yes.
That's hilarious. They're trying to get up there. Migrate upstream. But they're blocked by that grate.
Dad, you can find. You see these brown dogs on the ground? Fish food.
It is.
Yep. In some spots.
Yeah, throw it in.
I just watch this.
Do it again.
So some of them go crazy. Alright, watch this.
I'm ready.
Watch this. Sam, watch this. Watch this. They're still jumping. That was funny.
This one looks like you could just walk across it on top of the fish.
You go in there and you walk by and you're like, you're gonna feel so weird. I'm throwing one pellet at a time.
I can throw like 6. Throw like the rest of the other one.
No. I spent a long time collecting.
Well, maybe we can go inside and purchase some.
Here goes a guided flotilla of rubber raft kayaks. That looks like a lot of fun.
Not right now.
So where are we?
Wolf Creek Pass.
And what's that?
The Great Divide.
The Great Divide.
The Continental Divide.
So why did I bring cups and water?
The Continental Divide.
Oh my god.
And it's also the divide between Rio Grande National Forest and San Juan National Forest.
Ah, so where's the Rio Grande go?
Man, there's rain moving up the road.
Rio Juan goes that way, San Juan goes that way.
Where does the Rio Grande flow into?
I have no idea. That's
Gulf of Mexico. Where does the San Juan River flow into?
the Pacific.
Right.
Yay.
So what are we gonna do?
Continental
That's gonna go on
divide.
the other side and pour it in the grass, though.
All right, let's go.
And hurry.
I'll do San
This
Juan.
is the Rio Grande.
I'll do San Juan, I guess. Here we go. Ready, 3.
Hold on, no, I'm not ready.
Okay, ready? You sit on the divide. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Is that all it does?
Like salmon coming up the road.
Yeah, you can actually see it.
Yeah, I ain't scared.